Select the given sample company. Click on Entries and proceed to Incoming Invoice. Enter the vendor's name and the vendor's details automatically appear. Key in the incoming invoice number. Click on Go to enter product description and amount. This is for accounts purpose. You can choose to do it now or later. Select Yes for paid and payment details box will appear. Fill in all the information accordingly and click on Save button. Click on Save Invoice. Go to Pending Assign tab to assign accounts purpose which was set later earlier. Click on Assign button. Select specific accounts type and accounts category. Click on Save. Go to Auto Accounts tab below to log in. Select Sample Company and click on Entries. Go to General Ledger and select Unapproved GL. You can view your payment in Unapproved GL and tick right button to approve GL. Once your GL is approved, you can view in Reports.